Find the greatest common divisor of each of the pairs of integers in 9 through 12 using any method you wish. We're doing 27 and 72. The method I'm going to use for this, the method I used for finding the greatest common divisor is the same every time, and it's the Euclidean algorithm. First, we're going to do the quotient remainder theorem for the numbers 27 and 72 by determining how many copies of 27 go into 72. And specifically, two factors of 27 go into 72. So we have to subtract 54 to get 18. So to recap the results of this division algorithm, 72 is equal to my divisor 27 times the quotient, which in this case is 2, plus the remainder, which is 18. The next thing I do is I focus on the previous divisor and the new remainder. And we're going to do this over and over again. We always take the previous remainder and divisor. And now we're going to do the Euclidean algorithm for these two numbers. 27 is 18 times a quotient of 1 plus a remainder of 9. And then 18 is 9 times 2 plus 0. Now, since we have a remainder of 0, that means the next remainder up, 9, is the greatest common divisor. So my answer is 9. Thanks, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.